We are in, where are we in? Millersville, Crownsville. Taking a look at a job site here. A drainage job, and we cut the driveway so we can get our pipe across. Hey, Nordy. How are you?
Good.
Got her all cut out. Looks good. Is this area considered Millersville, Crownsville? What's the mailing address here, Wilbur?
Gambrills.
Gambrills.
Yeah.
This area is right in the cusp of all three, isn't it? Gambrills, Odenton, Crownsville.
What are these, 10 bags? Do you think enough?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, 10 would be enough. Depends how deep you're going with it. But you can get a nice 3-inch in there, you know? Get the soil packed in there tight. That's the main thing. That's the hardest thing, getting that soil back in there. How come you're going with the 6th?
Because the homeowner at some point is going to get all new gutters and downspouts, 6-inch.
Oversized?
downspouts. Yep.
Okay. That's the only reason I could think of it, but I'm sitting there looking at Wilder and he's smiling. So I knew he already knew the answer. And what was this water doing before? What was it? Or where is the water causing a problem before? Just freezing on the driveway in the winter?
These two,
This one is only finished, I think, somewhere in here.
Okay.
these only came out like 6 feet.
And the same, the north one on the other side.
Okay. So eventually it was making a mess in the driveway and freezing. Gotcha. Okay. That'll be nice to be this oversized here.
Yeah.
Okay. This is all you did last week.
Yeah, but the feet from the street by the box, I think it's at 200 feet.
Okay.
They only make new connections.
Okay. What was here, Wilder? Where you painted?
But I'm using my PVC by 10 inch.
Uh-huh.
I mark each 10 feet.
Gotcha.
And I'm hook it up. And here I'm switch the black to white PVC.
Gotcha. Okay. So you got the water here.
Yep.
This is all working well. Looks
Yep.
good.
Added a box here, new connections on these 2 downspouts, and then we had to route our new pipe to the existing black pipe that already
Took
went
it out to the street.
front. Yep.
You did all this last week, didn't you? Wednesday and Thursday?
Wednesday and Thursday.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, I take care of a lot of water right here coming.
Yeah.
Nice pool. I like the diving rock, huh?
Yeah, looks good.
It's a nice looking pool. You rather get more of a fall, take it out. Okay.
3rd box right
Oh, okay.
here. So the way it's fished, all the water that lands on the patio just comes right through here and started washing, all the mulch washing away.
This will take care of it. Okay. But now you got all the water coming out into the storm drain, into the Chesapeake Bay, right?
Yep.
We all pay for that on our taxes too. I was looking on my personal Anne Arundel County tax, and it was
Bay water charges?
yeah, Bay water. Looks like we got a sea of blue guys, the blue guy team, TLC Blue. This will work out very, very well. All that water coming out used to come down the driveway, freeze, wintertime. Now it's gone. That's huge though when you have that problem, because in wintertime, January, February, early March, it can linger there forever. Nordy's getting out the serious tools now. And they got a nice pitch here we can get rid of this water once and for all. That's one of the things you don't want to cut. Cutting that's no good, right, Benito? No good. That's no good, is it, Edwin? You don't want to be cutting that. That's not good. All right, we gotta go check out another job site. We just want to get up here today, check and see how this drainage job is going. And Gambrills, guys, I got this underway. Got all the back done last week. We wanted to finish this piece up here early this week and get this done for the homeowner. And we'll talk to you guys soon. See ya. Back at the office. Go in here and see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on here in the office this morning. Pond's looking pretty clear, even with all that rain we had. Looking pretty darn good. Fish look good. How's Miss Ash doing?
I'm good. How are for you.
You got 4 heaters on there underneath your desk?
Yes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Some reason it doesn't surprise me. Drew, you got time? We won't go over this proposal, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
And I got 2 more today.
Both drainage?
And then go grab the folders for everybody.
I'll meet you out in the classroom.
Sounds good.
Drew, you got 4 proposals? Got your notes and your iPad?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. All right. I'll be right back. All right. I'm going to get back here and help Drew. We can get back to the office, and we'll talk to you guys soon. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.